In this video, I'm giving you a sneak peek of what goes on inside the Elite Mentorship Program, the live trading sessions that we have together, and how I entered a trade on UAL and exactly where I exited and how I was able to manage to make over 40%, which adequated to $4,950 in trading profits. Take a look, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, UAL is the next one. Obviously, some earnings here and a huge buyback. Not sure why this got sold into. Big buyback. That's the reason it's on the long side. Daily has room. If we go back to the left again here, another COVID name that got hammered, and now there's a big pocket with room towards 82.76. So if you're a believer in cruise ships and airlines in the last 3 years, 4 years, you're getting paid big bucks now here. Had you just held your balls throughout the whole thing. All right, anyways, 65.96, 66 is the level. We're sitting right here at that big pocket overhead, 82, looking for the move to 67 to get this thing going. Okay, UAL is the next one. Obviously earnings, so be careful of that. You might want to wait a few seconds. So UAL, nice push. Let's see if we can get this candle closed. There goes Roku. Boom, move out of the way. He's gone. Can't catch that one. UAL looking good here. The 65 calls look okay. Gotta wait a little bit though here. Man, Roku's gone. Resistance is right here. We need a little bit of time to pass for this candle to get closer to closing. Might be a little early here. All right, let's try UAL. My goodness, Roku gone. Gone. 81.46 is next. UAL looking good as well, guys. 67.69. Is anyone in UAL? Holy, it's moving quick. We talked about the buyback, man. That's a big buyback. All right, CCL didn't really do what we wanted to. Roku moved way too fast, so I'll have to leave that alone. And let's see what Coin's doing. Coin popped up and failed a little bit here. So, all right, let's see. UAL, you have room to 67.69 here. This 2-minute candle is still looking pretty good. You got 5 seconds for this to close. We really just need a strong close, and we'll get the pop here in a second. This is a good move. All right, MU, big inverted hammer on the 2-minute. Guys, everyone should be out of UAL here. Let's go. Oh my. Tell me you guys caught this. I'm holding my BALLS here. Oh, look at it go. All right. Yo, it's 2 minutes into the open. All right. This is crazy. I love when the market does this to us. Who caught UAL? Please tell me somebody caught UAL. Breaks under lower day, it might create some more selling pressure there. Wow, UAL still going. Anytime you see a big buyback like that, man, never try to jump in front of it on the put side. I don't care what this tells you. There's a buyback announced and the stock pops and plummets. It's irrelevant. Just look for bullish trades. Company's not giving you buyback because they're broke. You do have a flat top forming here. You got this right here. You got this kind of pushing up against it. So gotta get this candle to get above high day candle close volume spike. And the reason for that is for the push to 107.90. It's getting it here now. I don't know about equities, but day trade's moving nicely now. Should have MU there as well. Not really long term. Honestly, I'd rather you take a position on M if you want to take an equity swing. That gap fill play, but you have to wait for near end of day. M Macy's. MU, not the best daily chart for a midterm swingish. MU worked nicely. Look at those intraday pockets. Man, you guys got to really get into the habit of finding these pockets daily and intraday. So continuously lower lows. And now you have a higher low setting up, potentially a inverse head and shoulder over VWAP, which is technically 231, pushes it back to high day, as long as we get above 231. SPY, high day flag, goes long over 580.40, looking good. Pre-market highs right here as well, 580.50. Here it goes, boom. Looking good. What are your thoughts on SoFi, please? Long side. SoFi is very interesting because it's made the move it needs to. And what I mean by that is it's come to its daily resistance here, dating back to December 27th, 2023, right? So boom and boom, we hit it. As far as long side goes, for a swing / multi-day hold, definitely a big no at this point. You're buying calls or holding a resistance. Intraday, you could wait for that level to break, which it still has not, right? 1050. And yeah, that's really the only thing you got to look for. On the daily, if you want to swing it to the upside, you need a daily close over 1050. Intraday, you need a breakout of 1050. And then if you want to potentially look for a dip buy on this, we'll have to wait for the dip buy to come down to old support, which is around 940. If you made it to the end of this video, congratulations, you watched the entire video of how things took place today. If you guys want to work with me one-on-one so you can also take advantage of these moves and learn how I can catch them on a day-to-day basis, click the link down below, book a call to speak with me. And if you guys are not ready to do that yet, click this video and watch exactly how I'm able to catch these type of moves on a day-to-day basis.